Hey everyone, if your Instagram filters or effects are not working on stories or posts, don't worry, I've got some quick fixes for you. Let's jump right in. First, close and reopen the Instagram app. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Filters require a stable internet connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates. An outdated app can cause filter glitches. If the problem continues, try clearing the Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find the Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Another reason filters might not work is restricted camera permissions. Go to your phone's settings, find Instagram and ensure it has permission to access your camera and microphone. If you are using a business or creator account, switch to a personal account temporarily. Some filters may not be available for business profiles. After testing, you can switch back. Lastly, Instagram servers might be down, so check online if other users are facing the same issue. If it's a server-side problem, you'll have to wait for Instagram to fix it. That's it for this quick tutorial. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.